What if you gave AI full control to build you a business, in the finance niche, with the goal of earning passive income? No manual ideas. No strategy from me. Just, hey ChatGPT, build me a business that makes money while I sleep. Here's exactly what it created, and whether it worked. Step 1: the prompt. So, I opened up ChatGPT and typed, greater than, create a step-by-step plan to build an online business in the personal finance niche that can generate passive income. And here's what it gave me. 1. Create a digital product related to budgeting. 2. Use Canva to design it. 3. Sell it on Gumroad or Etsy. 4. Promote it using Pinterest and YouTube Shorts. 5. Automate customer delivery and build an email list simple, scalable, and 100% passive once built. Let's do it. Step 2: building the product. ChatGPT recommended a monthly budget planner for beginners. It even gave me content for income versus expense tracker, savings goals, debt payoff plans, financial tips for each month. I took that outline and opened Canva. In 90 minutes, I had a clean, printable PDF planner, 10 pages long. I exported it and uploaded it to Gumroad. Product done. Step 3: creating the storefront. Next, I asked ChatGPT, greater than, write a Gumroad product title and description that will help this sell. Boom. It gave me title: the 2025 monthly budget blueprint *, subtitle *, a beginner-friendly planner to take control of your money. I uploaded my file, added a price, $7, and wrote a thank you message for buyers. Now I had a product and a landing page. Time to market it. Step 4: free promotion with AI help. No paid ads. No big audience. Just free traffic using the same AI tools. Here's what I did. I asked ChatGPT to write 3 Pinterest captions, then I used Canva to design pin images, scheduled them on Pinterest using a free tool. I also asked ChatGPT for YouTube Shorts script ideas, then I used Pictory to turn one of those into a faceless video. I uploaded it as a short on my channel. All of this 100% AI assisted. Step 5: the first 24 hours. Okay, so how did it do? In the first 24 hours, my short got 1,100 views. Pinterest sent 17 clicks to my Gumroad page, and Flying Money one sale at $7 after fees. I made $6.30. Not life-changing, but proof that the system works. 1 digital product. 1 day. 1 sale. And the content I created keeps working even while I sleep. So, was this a success? Checkmark yes. Because I built a real business in 1 day. Checkmark I didn't write a single thing manually. Checkmark I created content, promoted it, and got traffic. All with checkmark, and now I have a product that can keep selling forever. It's not about making $10,000 overnight. It's about stacking small wins that build long-term income. If you're serious about passive income, try this. Ask AI to build your next product, then follow through. And if you want the exact prompt I used, drop AI Finance in the comments and I'll share it with you. Subscribe to WealthFlow Media for more real experiments like this, and I'll see you in the next one.